the right-wing proto-fascist movements that celebrate the gun culture, that demonize the marginalized. That's the Tea Party, that's the lunatic fringe of the Republican Party, that's the Christian right, are empowered, while those of us who care about an egalitarian populist movement have never been weaker in American history.
Many Americans on both sides continue to operate in the understanding that when provoked, they would have the strength to resist. People believe that as of right now, the numbers we have gathered are adequate in the fight to restore our freedom. These people, no matter which side they find themselves, are wrong, and their actions will decide the fate for all of us. Discontent is growing among the political factions, and slowly they are beginning to understand that the enemy they have sworn against is one and the same. While the left continues to fight against wealth, demanding action from our elites in power, the right stands against an oppressive state, defending the very people who inhabit it. This creates an atmosphere for rebellion, but not against those in power, an atmosphere of rebellion against ourselves. What's happening today is an unprecedented allocation of wealth and resources aimed at provoking violence against our common American. They have control of communication, perception, corporations, and the education of your young, dividing on race, color, creed, and basic human morality. As of now, when the first shot is fired, Americans will not be fighting against their oppressors, but those who are being oppressed. This is the Firestorm movement, and that movement is you.